waga jetane je mofumane modo mutu ya tswana le wena seka waga jetane je mofumane modo mutu ya tswana le wena seka waga je mofumane modo.
At the South African Traditional Music Awards red carpet, and with myself, Princess M. Right next to me, I have the Morusu group who will be performing later on tonight. So let's find out from them. How are they feeling and what are their expectations for tonight? How are you, sir? How are you feeling? So can you please tell us a little bit about yourselves, about the group, and where you come from and why exactly are you here?
Okay, thank you. Group ya rona ke Morusu. So, ntho re tlise mona SATMA re le group. Re tlo tla re thabisa babui le batho ba nominateweng hantle ga nominateuwa. Remember gore le monse fedileng ke nominateuwe mme ke ile ka win award. So, ke gola mo re tloang teng re tloa site ya Gauteng. Empa ga batho ba le Lesotho ile hantle.
So all the way from Lesotho, but they're now based in Gauteng. They're here to actually perform and support their fellow musicians here at the South African Traditional Music Awards. So what can your listeners and your supporters expect from you, since they're going to be seeing you tonight? So for the rest of the year, what can they expect?
Okay. As we speak, I'm still working on my EP yaga. And what else? Busy happy to shoot a music video for my pinaka ilungwe ke ntshitseng for last year le single. So it le mosebetsi mongata holo lo ga bana tla ba o lebelle, but for today ba lebelle ntho tse ntle fela ho tlo tla go ba monate. Stage.
Well, they're coming all the way from Lesotho, but now based in Gauteng. They are here to grace us with their lovely, lovely music. I'll be expecting your performance tonight. Thank you so much, and you guys look so wonderful. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.